Hi everyone, so I'm back with another journal. I've made another Nature's Remedy journal, and this is a collaboration kit between ARTYmaze and Tracie Fox. You can go over to their Etsy stores. I will link it below so you can go over and have a peek. So this is made with my layering of papers. I've used the actual cover isn't actually from Nature's Remedies. That was a page that I had left over from the Vintage Days kit, and that's from ARTYmaze. And the journal measures 8 1/4 by 4 1/4. It has one signature. It has 44 pages, so it's not a huge chunky one, but there's still a lot in there. And obviously I've done all the stitching around here. I've put this little like book plate which says Nature's Notes, and I used one of the journaling cards from the kit. We've got some eyelets and string as a closure, and then we've got some crocheted trim, and then I've just put like little snippets of lace and fabrics, which I've literally just done, so it's still a bit wet there because I've used tacky glue, so that's still got to dry, but I wanted to get the video done. So this will be listed in my shop if you're interested. The inside covers are just plain coffee dyed paper. There's like 3 or 4 pages all sewn together with this on the top of that as well. So the main pages are all from well, I don't know, because there's 2 kits, one from Tracie, one from Andrea. I don't know which one's from which kit, so I can't remember now, not off the top of my head. So I've made some large corner pockets. I've put some crocheted trim on there as well, and we have a large tag from the kit. We have a little tag from the kit, and then we have a double journaling card from the kit. They've all been coffee dyed. Then here, this is one of my tag challenge tags, and this is using the back tag is using one of the tags from the tag fabrication kit. And again, that's a collaboration between Tracie and Andrea. So I was just taking a little drink of juice there, and I've just decorated that using some of the elements from the Nature's Remedies. This was a freebie from ARTYmaze, and the butterflies from the tag kit. Got lots of journal room, more crocheted trim, a little like full stamp from the kit. Here I've just done the double envelope pocket and just decorated that. Andrea's got a tutorial on how you do that, so it's actually got a pocket there, and it's a pocket there, and then we have that as well. So there's 2, let me get that in there, 2 index cards inside there. Page from the kit. Here we've just got a side tuck from the kit, and we've just got an old vintage letter inside there which has been coffee dyed, and this is from a Tsunami rose. And then we have a tag from the kit, and then like I said, I've just put these little snippet things there. This is some sari ribbon that Andrea actually gifted me. I've got tons of it, showed it in a previous video. And then just some lace trim. We've got a little pocket down here with a tag, and we have an envelope here from the kit as well, so you can journal on there, and then it's decorated there, and then there's just some paper for you to journal on. So then get that back in. There we go. So that goes on there. Hope you've all had a nice weekend. Another tag that I made, I done a double tag, a double layered tag here from the tag fabrication kit. This image is from the Nature's Remedies. This is a freebie from ARTYmaze. That's from the tag fabrication kit, I think, and so is the butterfly. Another page from the kit. We've got a top tuck here, and inside there we have a postcard from the kit, and then this is from the kit as well. It's just been backed. We have a long pocket with the tag, that's been backed as well. Some more writing space, some crocheted trim, centre of the signature. Another long pocket with the tag, and again that's been backed. And when I say backed, I know most of you know this, but sometimes, you know, people are new, backing just means putting something onto cardstock or coffee dyed paper or designer paper, just to give to make it a little bit thicker, to give you somewhere, you know, just a little, whoops, what's that? Oh, just to, well, I use it basically to reinforce the paper, but I don't do it on everything, just some things. And that's a large tag, some ephemera from Tsunami Rose, tag, some more crocheted trim, another little snippet thing here. I do love that page. Like I said, that's still drying there because I've only just done that. Little pocket with 2 tags in it. Little side tuck, pocket, vintage letter. Here we go. Another one of these like altered envelopes. I actually made this journal because I'd actually done a custom order, so it's got 2 tucks there, and I had printed out way more than I needed. So I started making this little journal, and then just had to print out a few extra pieces to complete it. Another little snippet thing here. Another little full stamp. Another tag that I made. Got to catch up on my tags again. I seem to do them every 2 or 3 days, and just make a few at a time. I'm never going to hit 100, I know that for a fact, but I'm trying to keep up with the days and do so many each day. So this is from the Nature's Remedies, the tag fabrication kit, and that's a freebie. So that goes on there. And then we have another corner pocket, another tag with that lovely image on there, and another tag, and another double journaling card. So that is the journal, and like I said, I will link these kits below if you want to go over and check them out. I'm sure most of you have got them by now, but if you haven't and you want to, it's a very large kit. Each kit you get 21 pages in, so there's lots to play with. So yep, this will be listed in my shop. If you have any questions regarding the journal, please ask, and thanks for watching. Bye.